Well, if you love Mexico Beach, you are going to absolutely love what the property I'm about to show you. Not only is it an estate-sized property, tree-lined driveway, if you just saw that. We're at 78 First Street, right here on the quiet end of Mexico Beach, which I love to say that because the beach is literally right there, and we'll show you a picture of that afterwards. But the beach is so close, and there's not a lot of people on this end of Mexico Beach. And you're so close to the Gulf County line that if you have pets, you can walk them right down there. It just has location, location, location. Come look at this adorable renovated house. Not only do we have newer everything, which will come in on all the details, from roofs to whatever, but look at this porch. I mean, it is breezy out here today. We have these cute rockers here. I mean, it's so inviting. Just come inside and take a look at this. They have brand new everything, from new floors to fresh paint. And I'm going to sneak in here and just show you a quick peek of, there's a laundry room tucked in here where you can either do a stack or you can do a side-by-side. You've got plenty of room, but you've got options. I just didn't want to miss that. But come in here and look how cute this fireplace is. They've got it all painted white. I just love that. It's so inviting and beachy, and I love the wood accents that they incorporated right here, this pecky cypress accents right here in the island, the breakfast pull-up bar, and in the overhead vent. And they've got a backsplash that they've added, a huge sink which looks right out onto the pool, which we'll show you later. But you do have a pool view, so you can check on everybody. You could probably hand a sandwich out the window there. So if you're the cook in the family, and they're of course leaving all the appliances. You've got a full bathroom right here in the hallway. So you've got a full bathroom that's going to be shared by these two guest rooms. The first one is right here on the right, and it's plenty big. It's got closet storage space, a nice window. You got room for a king-size bed. This one is the second guest room. Of course, you can see this was their son's room, but you've got nice ample closet space, a huge bright sunny window that overlooks the pool area. All right. I like that they made this into a breakfast bar here. That's super cute. So you've got dining here, you've got dining here, you've got a full living room. Now look at this flex space. This could be a game room, it could be a full functioning family room. Look at all of these windows. They've all been updated. You've got this super high vaulted ceiling with the dual ceiling fans, TV, sound bar, the backside of the fireplace, which I love the brick accent. You've got a door to the outside to that cute cozy front porch. And then you've got direct access right here to this pool. This is such a great entertaining space, and it can be shared. So you have this full home here, which is the 2-bedroom, 1-bath, fully renovated with 2 family rooms. And you've got a whole nother house that we haven't even looked at yet. And they've got a jetted pool, this whole outside entertaining space. Now, before I go in, I want to show you just how big this yard is. So this yard goes all the way past this picket fence to the very back where you see the shrubs. It probably goes a little bit beyond that. And if you don't know, Mexico Beach has a future park project which is going to run behind all these houses. So you're probably going to be part of a park at some point. And they've got a shed for their lawnmower and all that gear. But you have tons of room. You can push the fence out, leave the fence, build a place to park your boat, whatever you want to do, you got room to do it all. They've got this whole pergola, which kind of really helps offset the sun in the summertime, which is kind of nice. And if you're having a windy day, it's perfect because you're kind of protected back here. We've had a lot of wind in our area lately. But I have to show you this boho style bungalow here. Look at this. So cute, right? So if you've got a large family, or you've got people that want to gather, or you want to rent part of it off separately, you've got the space to do all kinds of things here. So we've got a guest room right here to the left, which is super cool and coastal. You've got a full fridge, you know, stove, oven, all of this has been renovated, all brand new cabinets. We've got another guest room, which is going to be right here off. So we've got 2 full guest rooms here. You've got ample closet space in both of these. So you've got room to pretty much do whatever you want. I've got some storage right underneath here. I don't know. Let's see if we can get this open. Let me let you show that. We're going to look at that storage space because I can't wait for you to see what's next. So this bathroom has a full 3-piece bathroom right here to the left. Then you've got a laundry area here. So look how cute that is. It's so fresh and inviting. And then you've got your laundry space, and then you have another whole bathroom here. So really the entire property comes with 3 full baths, but this is right off of the pool. So you've got a pool bath here with double vanity sinks. So perfect. I'm going to take you upstairs because you're going to be surprised just how much space that you get upstairs. So not only do you get all of this, wait till you see, because this has a balcony off of it and it has views. So if you wait to the end, I'll show you the views to the beach so you can see exactly how far it is. But look at this room. What would you do with this room? You've got options. This could be a bedroom. This could be just a family gathering space. But like I said, you have 2 whole houses on this property. It's a rare occurrence on a huge estate-sized lot this close to the beach. We don't have this around here. So this is going to be a treat for you to see this. Hold on just a minute. Let me get the door open and we'll take a look at, got screen. Look at how cute it is out here. Look at this. You can sit and watch the sunset right from this deck. Look how cute. Super cute. And if you stand right here, you can see the water. And you can literally sit in these high top chairs and get the sunset. So I'm going to hang out up here a minute and show you a quick view. Did you see the view of the beach? It's freezing out here today, but there's the water right there. That's how close it is to the beach. So if you're looking for something that can accommodate 2 families or you and then possibly rent or rent both, whatever you want to do, this place has it all. So if you want all the details, comment Live the Beach Life below. Let us know what you think. Share this with someone that you know. Tell them Kay sent you, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.